Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers Team, out here with another update on our project in Harrisonville, Missouri. We are now very close to being finished. If you remember here last week, we were rebuilding this entire wall near the front end of the house. It looks beautiful now. It's not bulging. I don't know if we got any good videos of it before, but this wall right here was bulging inward. So we've gotten that pulled out, got the steps back installed, so everything's looking real good there. Coming around here, we have just a little bit left to do on the wall right here, but everything else is looking very, very nice. Got another little added bit of mortar that we got applied here. We'll be able to paint that tomorrow once that's dry. We have a little bit of touch-up paint need to put on right here. But again, that's very easy stuff. Really all that's left, we have 4 windows we're going to reframe, or 4 spots for the homeowners to put the windows in. We're going to get reframed. You can see we've already begun right here. So we got 2 on that wall, and then we have these 2 right here. You can see that one leaning outward right now. So we're going to get that new frame vertical and looking good. Another quick overview. Once again, everything that we've done, we had 8 support beams, 6x6 treated wood support beams that we installed on top of our 2 foot by 2 foot, 2 foot thick, high strength concrete footings. This is just going to maximize the structural stability of the home here down in this basement, whereas before there was nothing really reinforcing the floor and these existing beams right here. So just another little, what we consider overkill, and structural stability is key for a project like this. So we don't want to just do the walls. We want to make sure that everything in the middle is as structurally sound as we can possibly make it. So everything's looking very, very nice in here. Right now, I'd say we probably have a good day and a half. For sure by Wednesday we'll be finished up. But everything is looking very nice. I'd highly encourage everyone, once we're finished with this project, take a look at our last video and our first video, and you'll be able to see the night and day difference on this project. And these are always my favorite projects to show off, just because of that before and after. It's hard to get that on a lot of our peer jobs because they're all in the ground, but these, you can see every step of the way the process, and it works. So that is very nice to see that it's looking so much better down here. So stay tuned for more updates. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC. Please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And of course, you can always give us a call, 1-816-288-4373.